we'll probably apply what we learned, but we'll see how it goes. And we can play 3 3s and 4 4s and all like that. Okay? Somebody give me a coordinate. Does that open up my animal crackers? Q16. D3. From Costco, a big container of animal crackers. C5. Where for black? 003. I like 03. Clearly me-I to settle. Black's going to settle. White's going to settle. Where for black? Now notice in this game, there's 2 choices. If, let's say it kind of went this way, well, all of a sudden, there's just second choices. Should black pinch? Should black come over this way? Should black take the corner? These are all very complex. But the way we played it, just take the corner, the just second choice is gone. Okay, we did black, white, black. Okay, where for black? O5, F17, C14, F17. Okay. Let's start with B or C. Which one and why? In the upper left. And why? It says B, why? 2 people say B. Someone says C. No reasoning yet. Hawkeye says it. The left is not interesting. The left is small because of C5, low and settled. The top, both the 4-4s, black and white 4-4s, like the top. The white 4-4 likes the left, but C5 doesn't like the left. So that's half the size. So let's get rid of C. So now we'll look at A versus B. Let's start with, is A defense, attack, or territory? Okay. So we're going to ask the question. Black's A group. Is it weak? Well, yeah. Most people say no. I don't see it as weak. Let's test ourselves by passing, and we'll see the worst white can do. If white does this, okay, that was fine. Right? How about white does a little more? Okay, that's pretty easy. I mean, that's real easy. Okay, no constraint at all. How about an actual attack? White can't do that. White's too weak to do that. What about this attack? No problem. There's no way. Black has easy. Sakura-chan asks a good question. He's bringing up the question about basically health versus life and death. And let's use this as an example. On the upper right, white's alive. or rather, white can live. White's perfectly fine. Yeah, but black picked up the corner and sent it. Yes, there was some cost. Black might decide he won't like the outside. Well, white can live. It's a problem. Yeah, but black got a nice wall out of it. Yeah, so there's a cost. So this is the thing. If you're weak, it'll cost you. So we need some criteria for how strong is strong enough, generally speaking. When you get off general situations, then all proverbs get tossed in the trash, because all of a sudden, I mean, anything goes. It's like, oh, I'd rather my group die rather than such and such. I mean, everything goes out. So the idea is, if your group is weak enough, when he attacks you, your moves are constrained. If you're feeling hassled, oh, these are difficult moves, then don't do it. As Guo says, if your moves are constrained, you've lost already. Now, in this particular example, this white move, that's not constrained. That's not constrained. White getting out quite nicely. So this one it's fine to play away on, because this group is really quite flexible and you won't get hurt too much. It's also fine to just fix. You can fix, it's fine. So that's the criteria. If your moves are going to be constrained, if defense is constrained, then you're being hassled and he's getting too much profit. Okay, so back to our game, which is not that. Not that. Will I ever find our game? Where did we start? We started with this. What did I do? I did R4. And what did black do? This. Okay, so this will put us back on track. Okay. So in our examples on the bottom, everything that white tried, black's response was so easy. Bye, gang. So black's fine. Similarly with white, white's fine. Okay, so what's big? The top is big. I just want to look at white's response here. I've got the regular A, or I can start my pinches. The most basic criteria is which side's bigger, the left or the top. Well, the top's bigger. As we said, C5 is low and settled, making the left less interesting, smaller. So the basic move is to play on top. And indeed, that's where Mr. Yang would likely play his move if he's playing one of his basic games, which he plays all the time. Top's bigger, so pinch. While Feng Yun, she says, no, I prefer this one. Whatever black does on top, very easy to invade. Black's doing nothing special. So I'll just take my stability and dare black to do anything special. He can't do anything special. No. I mean, the only thing black can take is that. That's not special. And if black tries to do more, he can't take it. Matter of fact, black just might play this way. There's just no problems. So it is a matter of style.